All right, we heard you, we listened, you spoke, we listened, and I understand you're upset. We have not made a proper mirror skateboard. So if we cannot resolve this today, right now, then we're total mirror failures.
We'll give up.
We'll just give up. We'll just never do it again. We'll just say, you know what? Mirror skateboards are not a thing. So today, we're gonna try every single possible method that you can do to make a mirror skateboard, which brings us to the world's greatest store on planet Earth, Home Depot. I'm just kidding. It's called Joann Fabrics. Hey, they're pet friendly. I feel like in a store like this, you almost just instantly have to go and ask somebody, like, where are your mirrored stickers? Oh, I just gave it away. That's what we're trying first. First things first is mirrored stickers. I looked this up on the internet. It's from a company called Ideaology. Oh, that woman right there, she knows everything about everything.
100%.
Do you know where the mirrored stickers are? Ideaology adhesive backed mirror sheets.
That's probably going to be over in scrapbooking.
Scrapbooking.
Because it's a paper, it's not a fabric.
Thank you.
You're on the fabric side.
She's like instantly shut that down. You're in fabric, not paper. Dude, it's just going downhill really fast.
Stickers. Oh. That's no better than the ones we made.
No way, it is better. Way better. Wait, hold up.
Wait, is that it?
I don't know. I don't think this is it, but I think this would work.
Well, we are testing every method.
Yeah, I did say that. This is the last mirror board video we're ever gonna make. Don't hold me to that, actually. I mean, that's pretty.
What are you guys doing?
We need help.
What you need?
We're looking for that.
This is Tim Holtz.
Oh.
Wow.
Take a picture, take a picture.
Amazing. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. That's the stuff dreams are made of. We're also thinking this might work. Do you know how this would attach to something? Adhesive foil. Could you attach that to a skateboard?
It's mostly for fabric.
Oh, we're making a video where we make a mirror skateboard.
Oh.
And we have a YouTube channel. And we've tried this many times and it never works. Well, we haven't tried this. We do spray paint and then paint.
Nice.
And none of it worked, but this looks like we're in the money.
All right.
Super fun.
Good luck.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
You have a good one. Can we do a video? Aaron bakes a cake.
Yeah, please. What are the other stores? They're just so mean to us.
We got kicked out of Toys R Us.
What are you guys recording? YouTube videos? Oh, that's cool.
Good luck. Hope it works out.
Well, I think so many people mess with like Walmart and stuff like that. So they're like, what are you recording? YouTube? They're like, get out.
Especially even nowadays.
We're not trying to mess with people. We're not trying to ruin anybody's day. We're trying to make somebody's day better. Learn how to ride a mirrored skateboard. All right, we have returned to the Braille house and we have what I think is everything we need. Oh no, wait, where did that other thing go that I had?
Did you leave it in my car?
We have this grip tape. I have 2 fresh decks. I have this clear replacement glass and I have this. And welcome, Ryan.
Hey everybody.
You might know him on the internet as Stuff and Things 42. You look like the kind of guy who knows how to read directions and follow.
Reading. Oh, nobody said anything about reading.
You figure out how we spray this onto this and make this into a mirror. Maybe not the whole thing. I mean, if we do the whole thing, that's even better. Nigel wants to go off right now. He wants to say, you guys can't do nothing good.
Remember when I had bad things to say and I would just walk away?
Yeah.
Come on, tell me this isn't gonna work. Is there only 2 in there? Oh no.
When's the last time this video came out?
No, the difference
We already
between...
explained this in the video, but we understand because a lot of people are really upset. You want to know why they're upset? Because we didn't do it good. We didn't do it. So either this works.
What's the goal?
To make a mirror skateboard, that's it. Simple. I think this adhesive is going to work.
I'm already a little bit confused about the can. It says indoor only.
What?
And back here it says spray outdoors in a well-ventilated area.
Wow.
What are we supposed to do?
You see, in the comments, people just roast us because they say, you don't know what you're doing, you don't know how this works. And then you get in there and it's harder than you think.
All right, well, there's our board.
You think
Already
it's gonna
better.
work, Ryan?
Here, look. Let me just look at myself. Look at myself. I can
kind of working.
I can already see myself.
Yeah.
This is already at least 10 times better than what we did before.
Try 100 times better. Method 2 is this, adhesive foil. If this works, we're revolutionizing the skateboard industry forever.
No sheet.
See what you did there?
Thanks. You ever get a aluminum foil paper cut?
No?
Oh, bro.
Have you?
Oh, yeah. It's bad. Dang, Nigel's actually really doing his thing over there. Dude.
Here you go, my child.
It looks like Uzi gripped it.
Well, this one might be better anyways, though. It's all about this application right
you
here.
Push that down.
Oh, God.
We need like a credit card or something.
Whoa. Look at the light on your face. Oh, dude, for sure.
I know, I told you.
Look at that.
I told you. Okay, we might have a couple little air bubbles.
That is so bright. Dang.
Clearly, I never window tinted no cars. I mean, honestly, we have enough to do another one. No, we don't. Yeah, slide it off.
Oh!
Lord, have mercy.
I mean, honestly, compared to what we have been working with, this is also a huge improvement.
Already, yeah. All right. I mean, it's definitely better. Could not see our reflection even remotely that good in the other one.
Nigel, do you think that you can make this into a mirror with that paint?
Absolutely not.
Clearly, just so the audience can see.
Clearly.
That is very clearly glass.
Why do you just have this?
I bought it to make a glass skateboard, and then never got around to it.
How are you gonna cut that?
Well,
I got a glass cutter. Duh. But if it works on the glass, we will spray the glass board.
That'll be our third method in this single video.
Yeah. So we're trying to exhaust all methods in this video, so we never.
So we don't have to make 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm still gonna talk crap about it every time.
Let's see here. We need 5 coats. Just
five coats.
Oh, this is not coming out how I pictured it coming out.
Dude, what the heck is this? I think this is failing.
You
I think
so?
the other one might have worked.
Realize we never tried it on glass.
Oh, whoa, wait, hold up. Now that it's drying. Oh! Dude, it blinded me. Dude, this stuff is so cap. I'm tired of these liars on the internet.
So that's coat 1. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 minute.
Does that look reflective to you?
Yeah, that's great. I can see myself.
I know, but look at yourself in the glass right here. You can still see yourself.
I was just kidding. I was just talking about my show. In 3, 2, 1, and go! Coat number 2.
I'm so glad we didn't just spray the glass board with this.
I know. We would have been so upset. I would have probably punched you in the gizzards.
Huh?
I mean, the directions were extremely explicit. So for all the people that are going to leave a comment saying, you didn't let it dry for 24 hours, you didn't primer, the directions say 5 coats, 1 minute apart each one. We're doing it exactly. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 minute. I'm kind of excited to hold it up and see the part that's like still just a window pane, and then you can see the part.
Wait, hold on. Where did? Oh yeah.
For every person that comments that ever said,
Wait, actually, I believe you because I see the smile on Nigel's face.
You know me and the perfectionist and whatnot.
Yep.
I took my hold on. Don't show me.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
no, I think you need to
first.
show this
Listen
part.
first. Listen first.
Wow.
How good is that?
Try not to touch
Oh
it.
my gosh. Holy.
Let me get the mic right up in there. Oh my God, I never knew I looked like that. Why didn't you guys tell me?
Bro, this is not just a regular mirror, bro. This is a 5K mirror.
It is so
I'm
good.
seeing reflections better than I do in real life.
Let me wipe it off right here.
Failures.
Make it perfect for you.
Look at this.
For the thumbnail. Bring it down a little bit. There we go.
We don't even need to Photoshop this thumbnail.
All right, come on.
Look
Let's go.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the ugliest of them all?
That's me.
I don't like this.
We did it.
Now I know why they never put a mirror on a skateboard.
We did it.
You do a kickflip and you're like, oh God, what is that?
We freaking did it. Here, let's hold them both up because I think they both look actually pretty good.
No, this looks like dog water.
But if that would have been the first one we
Here,
did,
tilt it
we
down,
would have been
tilt it
like,
down.
bro, we're geniuses.
Yeah, I mean, this is still at least 10 times better than the other one we did.
Yeah.
Look at that!
But this one
gotta tilt it down
is
again.
1,000,000 times better.
Look at, I mean, it's a little distorted, but you can
You want it to be a little distorted. It's a skateboard.
Look at that, dude.
Well, Ricky, can you shave your beard in this one?
Actually, I mean, 100% you could. Should we test it?
You shave your eyebrows?
Absolutely not. What in the
On the
world?
live stream the other day, all people were saying, shave your eyebrows, Aaron, shave your eyebrows. And then they were like, where's Glow?
Proud of this.
Dude, that really looks crazy.
Hey, I'm walking here! That horn did mask the sound of my fart that I just let out.
Has it been you that's been farting the last 10 minutes?
No, that was my first one.
Oh, okay. Can we skate it?
Get out of there.
Let me put my paws on it.
You ready? I'm not sure if I can kickflip after the accident yesterday. Ow! Okay, I got it. First try for the mirror. Okay, it looks pretty good. Looking good, feeling good, hyphy.
That looks wild.
Oh, straight to the board slide. No, we should do it.
It's gonna get...
Gonna get some wear and tear no matter
We'll
what.
do some flat ground tricks while it's looking nice, though.
Well, what if you step on the underside?
Then, don't.
Ew, whose trucks are these?
Oh, no.
Do that again. These trucks are way too tight.
We can loosen up. Oh, boy!
Whoa!
Should I get his back? I'll get him on a heel flipper. Oh, boy, I had that. I second guessed myself. I saw my mirror and I went, ooh! Right here, for a Jamba Juice from Gabe.
Nope.
I'll take any size.
That was good.
Let's hip it up.
First try Fridays?
Yeah.
You think I got it first try?
Yeah.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
It's an awkward one. Oh, yep, no, let's move on.
No way! We got so many more things we can do before we... They just want to scrape it. Why do you want to scrape it?
Because back in the day, we used to destroy things and you would go, damage report!
I feel like we need like a nice slow-mo.
Always be ready, Gabriel Horatio.
Okay, damage report.
Nothing's been touched.
What about the tail on that one?
Nothing.
Maybe like a
Slightly.
little, like a slight smudge. Good thing he did that. I would have sat up there for 30 minutes going, nuh-uh.
Here, hug game.
Cue the unnecessarily slow-mo footage montage. Great, now that we're done with that. Kyrie, get in here and do some tricks. Anything, anywhere, just do some tricks. Show us how this is done.
Oh!
So close! It happens to the best of us. Okay, now give me something on the hip. Gabe, I wish I was young again. Should we let Rick G get a trick on there?
Kicked up the 5?
You want to get a trick, Rick G? You could reflect.
On what I've learned from Braille,
Yeah.
from being on the Braille army. Okay, this is what I learned.
Wow!
First try.
You want to get a trick, Ryan? If you land a hill flip first try, we'll go to Jamba Juice and we'll get you a Jamba Juice. Have you had Jamba Juice?
Actually, I haven't.
We wanted that to 100 years.
You got it.
All right, second try.
Heel flip's easy because it is a toothpick.
I've been waiting this whole time just to do a
Literally.
board slide.
That's what he said the first trick. Board slide? I said, no, what are you crazy?
It stuck so hard. It like grabbed.
Damage report. That's what I was thinking. You're going straight to the handrail. No way. I can see myself. I'm just kidding. Okay, you got a kickflip? If you land it first try.
How did you smack it?
We didn't know it was a kickflip firecracker. Here, let's go look at the glass outside. Okay, this is the spray paint put on exactly per the instructions on the spray paint bottle. Please leave it in the comments. All the naysay activity.
What about from the underside?
Is that mirror at all?
Other side.
Oh,
That's pretty good.
What?
That's actually pretty good.
wait a second.
That's it.
Every bit of
Hold up.
That's the mirror.
No way.
That's the mirror. That's the mirror.
What is going on?
Put this thing on the ground. That actually worked. What the heck?
Should you get another can and do the whole thing?
I
Take it inside.
cannot believe
See if
that
it's
worked.
mirrored in the darkness.
What did you spray on?
I can't believe it. This just proved conclusively that we are in fact.
All right, let's see. I mean, the glass is reflective as it is.
Yeah, but look at the reflective glass. Look at that. Do you see that? I see straight through it. And then this side, it is a full-blown mirror. The more you know. This is like a science class that just never ends. I want to drop this so bad. I just want to drop it.
Please don't.
For science, I think we did a really good thing here. Don't you think so, Nigel?
Absolutely. A little bit, yeah.
Could you shave in this mirror?
Absolutely. I could shave, I could strip, I could get ready in the morning, I could brush my teeth. If you looked into the mirror, would you see Mufasa? Absolutely, he's there. I am so impressed that we actually made something that works, and I hope you guys are impressed as well. So you can no longer say, you guys can't make a mirror board, because we did it! We finally did it! It took us 3 videos, 14 weeks, 700 tries, and a lot of trips to Joann Fabrics, but we made it happen. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We're making these to inspire you to get on a board and get out there and start shredding. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com. You!